Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain the idea of cost function. The main reason for making this video is how we can explain what is cost function in a very simple and a short way. Most of the times when we need to explain cost functions, we need to delve into big formulas or even try to explain the other aspects of it. But in this video I'm trying to show a simpler way of explaining it in a short time. To understand this, first of all, we'll make an experiment. The experiment will be about measuring a length of this marker. This marker, the length, let's assume that length is 10 centimeter. It was actually 11, but I took it for the sake of a whole number purpose. So the only thing this experiment will have is that a student who is blindfolded, that means that student will have his eyes closed or his eyes blindfolded, and he will be given this marker in his hand, and he will try to estimate the length of it. And the only thing that I will be helping him is that whenever he makes an estimation, I will tell him that the error should increase or decrease. That means if he overestimates the length, suppose he tells if this is 10 centimeter and he says that it's 20, then I will say that that it should decrease, that the error should decrease, and the vice versa. So if it says that it's 5 centimeter, I will say that he needs to increase the length. And that is the only way that I will be helping him, but I will not tell that exactly what is the length of it, otherwise he will know. So let's take a plot of this experiment. So what I will do, I plot the error of this experiment with the number of trials that we have taken. So let's say that since the actual length is 10 centimeter and if given to a student who is not very good at estimating things, let's say that the first estimation in the first trial number 1 that he gives is let's say it's 30 centimeter. So he predicts 30 centimeter. So the error is 30 minus 10, which is 20. So let's plot for trial 1, we have a 20 here. So for next one, let's say, now as I said, I will give him a feedback as to if he has said correct, if he has to increase the length or decrease the length. So clearly he has given 30, so he needs to decrease. So I will tell him decrease. So then, but I will not tell him that how much to decrease. So he will have no idea how much to. So let's say that he estimates that it's 28. So like for 28, so 28 minus 10 is 18. So it must be somewhere here again, 18. Similarly, the next one he says 25. So 25, it will be 15. So it will be somewhere here. The third experiment will be somewhere here. Similarly, as I tell him to decrease the element, he will try to decrease, and a point will come. And the point will come when he will reach 0 error in some of the nth trials. Suppose in the 13th trial he reaches the 0 error. He predicts correctly that it's at 10 centimeter. So this is what exactly is cost function. What is the error? The error is nothing but the predicted value minus the actual value. Now what we could do, we could also take the root over of the error also, or something else, is that we know that a cost function of a linear regression. See, this is the cost function of a linear regression. Now you can relate with this. See, I said that is a predicted value minus actual value. The cost function of a linear regression is nothing but predicted value minus the actual value divided by the number of data points that we have taken in this experiment. So it is basically the square of the error divided by the number of trials taken. That is what is the cost function for a linear regression. So the idea that we can explain in a very short way is basically that the cost function is nothing but the plot of the error. Now the way we can present the error is up to us. We can take a whole root square or a root mean square, whatever. And this, for this one, is the squared error. So that is what a cost function actually means. The cost function is nothing but the tracing of the error. Thank you.